blue-winged minla. The blue-winged minla is also known as the blue-winged siva. It is found in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Its natural habitat is subtropical and tropical moist montane forest. Blue whistling thrush. The blue whistling thrush is found along the Himalayas in the Indian subcontinent and extending into Southeast Asia. It is also known for its loud human-like whistling song at the dawn and dusk. They feed on the ground, often along streams and in damp places, foraging for snails, crabs, fruits and insects. Brown-fronted woodpecker. The brown-fronted woodpecker, it ranges across the northern regions of the Indian subcontinent, primarily the lower to middle altitudes of the Himalayas. It is found in Afghanistan, India, Nepal, Pakistan and Bhutan. Its natural habitats are temperate forests and subtropical or tropical moist montane forest. Chestnut-bellied nuthatch. The chestnut-bellied nuthatch is found in the Indian subcontinent. Its natural habitats are subtropical or tropical dry forests, subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests, and subtropical or tropical moist montane forests. Chakar partridge. The chakar partridge has its native range in Asia, including Israel, Lebanon, Turkey, Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan and India, along the inner ranges of the western Himalayas to Nepal. The habitat in the native range is rocky open hillsides with grass or scattered scrub or cultivation. They are found in the areas of high humidity or rainfall. Common green magpie. The common green magpie is a member of the crow family. It is found from the lower Himalayas in the north to the central Thailand, Malaysia, Sumatra and northwestern Borneo. The bird seeks food both on ground and in trees and takes a very high percentage of animal prey from countless invertebrates, small reptiles, mammals and young birds and eggs. Dark-breasted rose finch. The dark-breasted rose finch is a true finch species. It is found in the India, Bhutan, China, Laos, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Thailand and Vietnam. Its natural habitats are boreal forests and tropical or subtropical high altitude shrublands. Dark-rumped rose finch. The dark-rumped rose finch is found in Bhutan, China, India, Myanmar and Nepal. Its natural habitats are boreal forests and subtropical or tropical high altitude shrubland.